Binondo Team. Okay, back to the ball game.
Leon, Ramon.
For 2 points. Number 11. Pass to number 15. Back to number 11. Time to shoot. For 3! Number 30 jump shot, no good. No good. Gawa pa rin ni number 12 ang bola. Pass to number jump shot ni number 3, no good. Follow up for 2 points by number 30. Binabaan ang bola ni number 15, last 1 minute and 35 seconds, score 5-19. In favor of Triple One Team. Number 11 jump shot, no good. Same ball. Outside, Triple One Team ball. Rebound number 3, pass to number 30. Back to number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 12. Oh, Binondo Team ball. Number 20. Last 45 seconds. No good. Rebound number 30. Pass to number 27. Last 30 seconds. Number 27. Traveling violation. Number 15 dribbling the ball. Jump shot, no good. Last 10 seconds. Number 10 and number 12 for 2 points. Number 15 pass break to number beyond the first. Binondo Team ball. Inbound number 20. Pass to number 24. Number 24 dribble the ball. Pass to number 16. No good. Ang tirang is back. Nakuha ni Kagiwa ang bola. Pass to number 12. No good. Number 12 again. For 2 points. Number 16 pass to number 19. 18. Still by number 12. Nakuha ng Binondo team ang bola. Pass to number 6. Sinira for 2 points. Jesus. Number 6. Number 7 Pavilion. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 30, Tiama. No good. Ang tirang is back. Number 20, pass to number 18. Number 18, jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 18 ang bola ng Binondo team. Pass to number 20, pass to number 6. Jump shot, no good. Oh! Binondo team ball. Number 18 jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 26. Kagiwa. Kagiwa, binaban ang bola. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 12 for 2 points by number 12. Number 24, dribble the ball. It's still by number 7, ng Tiburon team. Number 7, pass to number 26, Mark. No good. Ang tirang is back. Nakuha ni number 24 ng Binondo team. Pass is still by number 30, Tiama. No good. Rebound by number 6. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Dinerecho na for 2 points. Number 7, Pavilion. Binaba na ang bola. Pavilion pass to number 26. Pass to number 30, Tiama. Nakakuha ng foul. Substitution rep. Who's foul rep? Number first personal foul, first team foul. No good. That's one shot to Paltrow. 1 point mula sa tirang Paltrow. Substitution rep. Substitution. Rebound. Number 24. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Binaba ng bola. Number 6. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 30. Tiama ang bola. Pass break to number, still by number 24. Number 24 is still by number 30. Tiama, pass to number 23, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 29 ang bola. Pass kay number 11. Pass to number 6. Foul, number 26. First personal foul, first team foul. Inbound. Number 11 jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 26. The veterans. Number 26 dribble the ball. Pass to back to number 26. Pass to number 30. Tiyama jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 24. Pass to number 29. Mahilong, binaba na ang bola. Napitawan ang bola. Nakuha ni number 7, Pavilio. Pavilio. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 26. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni Pavilio ang bola. Number 7. Number 7, diniretso pa. No good. Nakapik. Binondo team ball. Substitution rep. Inbound, number 11, pass to number 15. Number 15, dribble the ball. Pass to number 29, Mahilong, back to number 15, jump shot, no good. Ako pa rin yung Mahilong ang bola, pinasa kay number 6, Jesus. Jesus. Nabitawan ang bola, nakuha ni number 23, pass to number 26. Number 26, binaba na ang bola. Number 2, Kiyama. Pass to number 21. Oh, Binondo team ball.
Substitution rep. Substitution.
Ano yun? Time out! Binondo team. Okay, inbound, number 20. Number 20, number 15. Number 15, pass to number 11, pass to number 29, Mahilong. Binigay kay number 20, jump shot for 2 points. Number 26, Cruz. Binaba na ang bola. Pass sa ilalim. Oh, outside. Binondo team ball. Number 15, pass to number 29, back to number 15. Number 15, binaba na ang bola. Number 15, pass to number 11, jump shot for 3 points. Number 7, Pavilio, going down. Number 7, sumalaksak. Nabitawan ng bola, nakuha ni number 15. Number 15 ng Binondo team. Pass to number 16, tinira, no good. Rebound to number 11, no good again. Nakuha pa rin ni number 15 ang bola. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 21, pass to number 27, Tiburon team. Oh, robbery violation. Number 15, holding the ball. Pass to number 29, Mahilong, back to number 15, 60 shot. No good, ang tirang step. Rebound by number 27, pass to number 26. Number 26, jump shot for 2 points. Number 26. Mahilong, binaba na ang bola. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni Mahilong ang bola, tinira, no good. Rebound by number 23, Alvarez. Alvarez, binababa ang bola, pass to number 27. Number 7, jump shot for 2 points. Number 15, down, going down, going down, going down. Number 15, dribble the ball, time to shoot. Still by number 7, pass break to number 21, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 27, back to number 31, tinira for 2 points. By number 5. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. 40-32. Wala na ating mic. Wala naman pong warning for delaying the game. Tingin ang baterya. Baterya. Number 15. Number 11, pass to number 15. Number 15, to robbery violation. Last 50 seconds. 52 seconds. Sige lang. Inbound, number 7, pass to number 21. Number 21, pass to number 27, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15. Oh, outside. Tiburon Timbo. Inbound, number 27, pass to number 7. Pabilio, dribble the ball. Pabilio, binabala ang bola. Pass to number 26, Cruz. Pinasa sa ilalim. Outside, Binondo Timbo. Last 23 seconds. Number 29, binabala ang bola. Number 15, jump shot. 4-3. By number 15. Last 10 seconds. Number 26, binabala ang bola. Foul. Number 20. Second personal foul, second team foul. Inbound, number 7, pass to number the end of the second quarter. Break na.
Wala pala eh. Wala pala kita rito.
Tiburon team ball. Next game ay susunod na. Schedule.
Pwede ba? Pwede ba ako tumugtong dito na lang? Luwala ako naman. Nag-review naman yun eh.
Okay, inbound. Number 14, pass to number 15. Tumbado. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 29, Mahilo. Pass to number 24. Number 24, back. Pass to number 29. Number 15, back to number 29. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 15, Tumbado. Pass to number 30, Tiama. Pass it to number 12. No good. Number 12 again for 2 points.
Dapat pala rito may ikot siya eh. Dapat yung ganun tira ang sabi eh.
Number 15. Oh, wobbling violation. Number 30. Pass to number 14. Pass break to outside. The rain begins. And it's the yan, may vlogger tayo.
Ito pa pala kayong taon, boss eh. Ayun, nasa ilalim mo ng score ano, boys.
Number 24. Pass to number, still by number 12. Jump shot for 2 points by number 12.
Kala ko naka-ano siya eh. GoPro eh.
Number 20 is still by number 14. Yung Tiburon team. Radovan, no good. Ang tira left. Nakuha ni number 24, pass break. Still sana pero same ball. Substitution rep. Time out. Time out, Tiburon team.
Siyempre, gusto nila mag
Number 11, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 12.
Excuse me po.
Pass to number 30, Tiama. Binigay kay number 14, pass to number... Nakuha ni number 15, number 14. Still, nakuha ni number 22. Tinira, no good. Number 22 again. Shot clock violation. Inbound number 20. Kukunin niya ulit sa bangko. Number 14. Pass to number 15. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 12. Jump shot again. No good. Rebound by number 22. Nakakuha ng foul kay number 15. Number 15. First personal foul. First team foul. Inbound number 12. Pass to number 14, Radovan, nakakuha ng foul. Number 15. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Substitution rep.
Two shots to Valtero. No good. That's one shot to Valtero. No good again. Nakuha ni number 23 ang bola. Umikot, nabitawan. Nakuha ni number 12, pass to number 14. Number 14, jump shot. Foul. Number 29, Mahilo. Number 29, first personal foul, third team foul. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow.
Last one shot to Petro. No good again. Nakuha ni number 12, long no. No good. Rebound. Oh, foul. Number 14. Substitution rep. First personal foul, team foul. Inbound, number 11, pass to number 29, Mahilog. Mahilog, binaba na ang bola. Ten to shoot. Number 29, 6 to shoot. Number 11, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 3, pass ball to number 21, take shot, jump shot, no good. Number 3 for 2 points by number 3. Number 23 going down. Pass to number 11, take shot, number 23, no good. Nakuha ni number 2, Bayot, pass to number 3. Pass to number 21, Tinira. No good. Rebound by number 12. Jump shot for 2 points by number 12. Number 23, Rupo. Binababa ng bola. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni Bayot ang bola. Pass. Number 2, pass play to number 12. Long long for 2 points. Inbound, number 23. Pass to number 29. Mahilog. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 11. Number 11, sumaksak. Jump shot back by number 22. Pero nakuha ni number 20 ang bola. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 2, Bayot. First personal foul, second team foul. Substitution rep. Timeout! Binondo team.
No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good again. Rebound by number 7. Pass to number 2. Still, pinasa kay number 6. Still naman ni number 21, pass to number 26. Number 26, dribble the ball. Pass to number 21. Number 21, back to number 26, John Shep. No good. Nakuha ni number 20 ang bola, pass to number 11. Number 11, nabitawan ang bola. May pasa kay number 29, Mahilog. Back to number 11. Big shot, jump shot, no good. No good. Number 29, jump shot, no good. Pass break kay number 2, Bayot for 2 points. Number 29, Mahilog. Sumalaksak. Bitawan ang bola, nakuha ni number 11. 11 din. Jump shot, no good. Number 11. Pass to number 29. Mahilog. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha na ni number 21. Pass to number 26 ng Tiburon Team. Number 26. Dribble the ball. Number 26. Oh. Nakuha ni number 6 ng Binondo Team. Pass to number 29. Mahilong. Flat. Same ball. Rebound. Number 29. Pass to number 20. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 7 ang bola ng Tiburon Team. Pass to number 2, Bayot. Bayot, binababa na ang bola. Pass to number 7, Pavilion. Binigay kay number 3, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 18, pass to number 6. Number 6, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 18, Dilira. Outside. Same ball. Last 1 minute and 55 seconds. Score 44-17 in favor of Tiburon Team. Number 20, jump shot, no good. Number 20 again for 2 points. Inbound number 2, pass to number 7. Number 7. Pinaba na ang bola. Number 7, dribble the ball. Pass to number 3. Binigay kay number 2, Bayot. No good. Ang tira ng spot. Nakuha ni number 6 ng Binondo Team. Pass to number 39. Binigay kay number 11, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 7 ang team. Pass to number 31. Binigay kay Cruz. Pass to number 7, Pabilo. Foul! Number 20. Number 22, personal foul. Running to penalty. Substitution, rep. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 8 seconds. Score 44-19 in favor of Tiburon Team. 1 point mula sa tirang Paltrow. Last 1 shot to Paltrow. One point again. Inbound number 16. Oh, double line. Tiburon Team ball. Inbound number 26. Pass to number 3 and number 2. Bayot for 2 points. Inbound number 6. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Binaba na ang bola. Jump shot. No good. Only number 2. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 26. Number 26. Oh, to robbery violation. Remaining time, yes, 32 seconds. Number 15, going down. Pass to number 20. Number 20, pass to number 18. Ibigay number 16, jump shot, no good. Only number 21 ang bola. Last 15 seconds. Number 3 in the lap for 2 points. Last 10 seconds. It's still the number 21 outside. Last 3 seconds. No good. The end of the third quarter. Pass to number 15, pass to number 24. Number 24, Pinira, no good. Only number 20, Pinira again for 2 points by number 20. Number 2, dribble the ball. Bayot, turn to shoot. Number 30, Tiama. Back to number 2. 3 to shoot. Sockley. Number 26. Pushing foul. Second personal foul. First team foul. Inbound number 20. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Binabala ang bola. Number 15, dribble the ball, turn to shoot, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 30, Tiama. Pass to number 23, Pinira for 3 points by number 23, Alvarez. Number 20, binabala ang bola. Pass to number 11, pass to number 6, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 24 ang bola. For 2 points, number 24, number 30, Tiama. Sumalaksak. Foul. Number 6. Number 6. Second personal foul, first team foul. Outside, same ball. Inbound. Number 26, pass to, still the number 11. Number 11, pass to number 15. Pinira, no good. Nakuha na ni number 7. Number 7, pass to number 26. Cruz, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 24. Outside. Binondo team ball.
Binondo team ball.
Number 6, Jesus. Binaba na ang bola. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin yung number 6, nakakuha ng foul. Number 7. Number 7. First personal foul, second team foul. No good. That's one shot to Boswell. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 6 ang bola. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 30 ng Tiburon team. Pass break to number 23. Alvarez. No good. Rebound by number 24. Francia. Pass to number 11. Number 11 going down. Number 11 pass to number 20. Number 20 pass to number 15. Time to shoot. Pass to number 11. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 30 ang bola, Tiama. Number 30. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 24 ng Binondo team. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Dribble the ball, pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 11. 5 to shoot. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 15, jump shot, no good. Number 30, rebound. Pass to number 23. Alvarez. Outside. Binondo team ball.
Substitution rep.
Hoy. Nene. Still by number 40, pass to number 23. Alvarez. Pass to number 14. 2 points. Number 14. Inbound number 24, pass to number 11. Number 11, dribble the ball. Number 11, pass to number 15. Trying to shoot. Number 11, take shot. No good. Number 14, pass break to number 26. Cruz for 2 points. Remaining time, last 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Buka doon. Number 24 pass to number 6. Number 6 is still by number 14 pero outside. Same ball. Backcourt. Tiburon team ball. Inbound number 14. Pass to number 27, Priya. Priya jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 20, nabitawan. Same ball. Timeout. Binondo team. Tiburon team. Number 14, Tumbado, pass to number 12, Longo. 13 points. Inbound number 6, pass to number 15. Number 15 going down. Number 15 dribbling the ball. Time to shoot. It's still by number 12. Naku, oh! Binondo team ball. Binondo team ball. Inbound number 23, pass to number 6. Number 6, Jesus, still by number 12. Nakuha ni number 27 ang bola. Number 27, Tria. Sumalaksak, Tinira. No good. Rebound by number 14, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 18 ang bola ng Binondo team. Number 18, pass. Yun, still. Number 12, no good. Number 12 again for 2 points. Remaining time is 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Score 60-23 in favor of Tiburon team. The layup, no good. Rebound by number 30, pass to number 14, Ranaban. Pass to number 12, jump shot for 2 points by number 12. Number 23. It's still by number 12, pass to number 14, Radoval. Relay up for 2 points. Okay. Number 23, binaba ng bola, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 12, pass to number 3, it's still by number 23. Pass to number 6, Tinira, no good. Number 6 again, Black by number 13. Inbound number 20, pass to number 6. Pass to number 15, jump, pick. Jump shot, the number 18, no good. Nakuha ni number 27, pass to number 12, Longno. Longno, no long. Pass to number 30, Tiyama, no good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18, pinabala ang bola. Pass to number 23, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 27 ang bola, pass to number 3. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 15, pinabala ang bola. Oh, foul. Number 15.
Substitution rep.
Number 15, foul. Second personal foul. Hindi ko makita. Third team foul.
Lead ng BS eh.
1 point. Number 15, pass to number 30, Tiyama, for 2 points. Inbound number 15, pass to number 23, pass to number 20, number 20, pass to number 6, outside, Tiburon team ball. Inbound number 12, pass to number 3. Pass to number 30, Tiyama again, no good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15. Nilay up, no good. Last 45 seconds. Number 21, pass to number 3. Number 3, for 2 points. Pass break. And number 15, Pinira, no good. Number 15 again. For 2 points. Last 20 seconds. Ayan na, ano? Nagkatamlayan na. Last 3 seconds. And the winner is T-Boy. Ten, 10, 10.